So, sino yung first na nakita? Si Rene, no?
Yes po.
Rene first. And nung nakita na siya, and you were all carrying him onto shore.
Yes, it
well,
was.
not all.
It
Not
was
all.
just players po.
Players.
When we saw Rene, it was us who carried him out of the water, not like
Not the
first
medical,
responders. Wala pong tumulong.
Tas
And then
Where were they? On the shore?
they were just spectating po. They were just watching us.
there was one guy nga po was just, he had like his phone out like that po. I was wondering why. Pero di talaga makasalita kami ni Coach Sandro. We were just, like, we couldn't focus talaga with what's happening. It was just, we were overwhelmed talaga. Pero I saw it with my eyes na he was just filming.
He was taking video, filming. Okay.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there was a photo of him in the ambulance or him getting dragged out in a stretcher. I'm pretty sure that was him.
Yeah. No, I saw those photos. Yeah. The very first photo we saw was the one yung stretcher on the beach. Okay. And then, how many minutes after na nakita si Divine?
Right
around-
after po nung na paalis na po yung ambulance ni Rene
Ni
po.
Rene.
Yeah, for a bit. Then,
They tried CPR for both Rene and Divine on the
yung
beach.
kay
no?
Rene po, si Sir Jeric,
yeah, RPD
And then,
po. Tapos pinastop po yata
pinastop po
ng
nung medic para po ilagay sa stretcher and then to rush to the ambulance po.
Yes po, pero I'm not sure if that's the proper...
Yeah. Pero walang pulse. I mean, even...
I'm pretty sure they rushed him lang po sa ambulance.
The only one I heard that had pulse po was Divine po.
He had a pulse?
Divine, yes po.
On the beach, he had a
Yes
pulse?
po.
And then they put him in the ambulance and brought him to the
It wasn't an
Si
ambulance.
Divine
It
po,
was
police car.
police vehicle.
Yes
Yeah
po.
po.
Okay. Okay. So yung sinasabing and although she did explain it na she said na to stop muna para madala sa ambulansya kasi unstable. So nakita niyo yon, pinastop like you said.
Yes po.
Tas niload na si Rene sa ambulance.
Opo.